Yo, what's up, my sketcher? Was this car was token? So I used to win this ticket for $20. So let's check it out. This ticket number 50 right now, and the oldest one and 3.46. Let's check it out about this one at the rest area. Let's check multiplier bonus first. Bonus block. Okay. This I'm usually giving you losing because if the like 1 egg or 2 egg, it could probably winning, probably gonna be winning, but this one is losing. Look, there's no chance for this side, there's the chance for here. Okay, so just check this one. Nope, it's a losing, guys. I already told you it's a fucking losing ticket. Well, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.